Hey guys, today what we're going to do is we're going to install ceramic coating on the interior of this Tesla Model S Plaid. It has the typical white leather, and that white leather gets really dirty, so we're going to make it easier for this client to clean. First thing we're always going to do is we're going to clean the interior, wipe everything down, and kind of get it nice and ready for ceramic coating. It's always the first step. So we have a blow gun. We're going to blow the stuff out from under the seats. All right, so we're going to start applying coatings. We like to apply our trim first, followed by leather, and then we do one quick last vacuum on the carpet, and then we put the fiber on that. We can use SB3 trim on the interior coatings or on the interior trim pieces that are plasticky. This is like a carbon fiber, but I'm going to use the SB3 Alpha 5-year on it. I just like using the Alpha on the interior. Just trim is great too, but none of this needs to be restored. I think we're going to get good protection out of the Alpha, so I just decide based on the car and what I think might work best. So today we installed ceramic coating on just about every single surface inside this Tesla Model S Plaid, and it's going to be a huge help on these white seats. I have cream colored leather accents in my i8, and of course they still get dirty, but with the ceramic coating they wipe off so much easier than without a ceramic coating. And of course, you know, we're preventing stains and UV protection and all kind of other benefits of the ceramic coating, not just, you know, making it easy to clean. So thanks for joining us while we did this ceramic coating on this Model S Plaid, and we'll see you soon.